Here I have Motorola Moto Z2 Play, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the Moto settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the list of all applications right here. Then you have to find and select the settings. So here I have settings. Let's scroll down to personal tab, and here you should choose backup and reset. Afterwards, let's select factory data reset, read the information about the process, and tap reset phone. So if you would like to erase all personal information, downloaded apps, and customize settings, let's choose erase everything. Right now the device is performing the restoring operation, so the smartphone is bringing back all factory settings and deleting all personal data from the phone. Let's wait until the welcome panel pops up. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Let's just wait until everything will be done. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. Now you may start easily activate your phone. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.